Let me be brutally honest. Money isn't avoiding you by accident. You're repelling it with the same consistency. You scroll TikTok or social media non-stop. So in this video, I'll show you 7 habits that quietly push money away. So you're not broke because the world hates you. You're broke because you have made complaining your full-time job, replace the whining with planning your money. So if your excuses were investment, I guess you'd be a millionaire by now. You binge content like it's your oxygen, but create nothing. Money flows to creators, not consumers, okay? So a closed mouth doesn't get fed, and a silent mind doesn't get paid. If your goal is to save $50 a week, congrats. Inflation just laughed in your face. Think bigger, guys. Small drains attract money. If you can understand this thing, then you can definitely think bigger. So that's the right thing. You gotta think bigger, think rich, then you will become it. Otherwise, if you will be thinking just small goals, then your goals and your reality will be almost same. And for number 4, guys, your feelings are expensive, okay? So every time you're stressed, you buy something dumb. So money doesn't like emotional people. So it likes disciplined ones. And you gotta be that one, okay? The later one. So dopamine fades, but debts don't. So you gotta make sure in your mind that you always are sensible. You always your senses when you go outside, when you are doing shopping, when you are buying something. You don't get paid for time, you get paid for value. If you haven't learned anything new in last 6 months, your income is exactly where it deserves to be. Okay, so it's your mistake, just admit it. So you gotta learn new things. Stagnant skills attract stagnant income. So you gotta understand this thing, okay? So you make sure that you learn something new. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's morning. So you want passive income with active laziness. Wow, so good on you. Stop dreaming, guys. Success is built, not waste. Okay? So rich results don't grow on lazy soil. So you gotta wake up, have your coffee or morning tea, whatever you wanna have this morning. Just have anything for gratitude, for gratification, or do something that is very productive for you. Lucky you, if you treat money like a toy, don't complain when it disappears like one. Okay, so you gotta make sure that you respect your money. Respect money and it will respect you back. If you want respect from your money, just respect your money. Just make sure that you are using your senses when you are spending it. Make sure you know what's the important thing that for you to buy a new thing, okay? So you can't afford your bank balances dropping, especially for your future things, for your future. And first thing is creators pull money in and consumers leak money out. You gotta create something in your life. And the second step is upgrade one skill every 30 days. If it's not possible for you, just extend the timing, but definitely upgrade your skills. And step 3 is to learn manage before you even ask for more, okay? So you can't attract abundance if you can't handle the basics, okay? So all good, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe channel Smart Money Inside. Thank you so much. Have a good day.